Hey, this is Jack here with Loud Bros. We are now officially entering year 7, and we wanted to do something really special over here at the headquarters for all of you. For years, I have not been so happy with the 3x3 sections for flakes onto our color boards. So we reimagined our whole entire shop space here for you with all of our 12 most popular colors so that you can see them in real life before you decide to coat your garage floor. As well, we have started, this is our phase 1, where we already have a set of our cabinets that got delivered and installed, as well as most of our slat wall here. We're going to be going pretty insane with a full 35-foot long section of cabinets in all the different colors here. And we just wanted to also celebrate with all of you. If you currently have any open bids for any floor coatings for a garage or for a basement or commercial space, we wanted to take off $250 and as well $500 for any cabinets as a thank you for helping us get to where we have been able to get to. We have all the samples here for all the different cabinet styles. And of course, the floors here, instead of small sections, we're located right next to Little Beaver at the bottom of Veterans in Bloomington, Illinois. And we would love to come out for a free estimate as well if you need that too. We only have 5 more spots left this year, so we would love to help you out if you are interested before winter starts to actually take full effect. It's currently snowing right now, but we are still installing this coming Monday. And as long as it is above 0 degrees outside, we can install any time of the year. We'd love to help you out. Hope you have a great day and protect your concrete. Peace.